What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. And today I'm going to be talking to you about why you aren't able to get waves. And we are starting right now.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Welcome back. Guys, let's get right into this video. So a lot of people want waves. A lot of beginners think it's easy to get waves, but it's really not. You got to put in the hard work, dedication, brush work. You got to wake up at 6 in the morning, you feel me? Do your morning sessions. You got to do your night sessions before you go to sleep. But that's besides the point. I'm going to be talking to you about why you can't get waves, all right? You watching this video right now, I'm going to tell you why you're not able to get waves. So a lot of people think they're able to get waves, but they don't want to wolf. Okay, you're not going to be able to get waves without wolfing. Right now, my hair is not waving up because it is not at its curl length. I just got about 2 weeks ago, and I'm brushing a lot. What that's doing is it's not helping my hair wave up. It's training my pattern. All right, I want to go 540 swirl, well 360 swirl. It's called 360 with a swirl pattern, kind of like 360 Jeezy. You know, where your crown is swirling and you still got the same 360 pattern going. It's not a 720. It's kind of like in between a 720 and a 360. You know what I'm saying? But guys, you're not gonna get waves if you don't wolf. All right. If you stay at a low cut, your hair will never, ever curl up. You gotta stop getting haircuts every 2 weeks. You gotta stop getting haircuts and let your hair grow out. When I say let your hair grow out, I don't mean let it grow out, you know, into like nappy stuff. You feel me? You gotta brush as it's growing out. The more it grows out, the curlier it gets, the wider the curls get. All right. If you let your hair stay short, your curls are gonna be so small and underdeveloped. It's not gonna look as elite or as wavy, as silky as you want it to look. The reason why my waves look the way they do, the reason why 360 Jeezy's waves look the way they do, the reason why all these elite wavers waves look the way they do, is because they wolf. Wolfing is very 1,000 times very important. Your curl length should be about 4 weeks after a fresh cut. Once your hair gets cut down to a 1, say about a 1, you have to wait at least 3-4 weeks for it to reach its curl length. Some people's hair might be different, but for me, about 4 weeks for it to reach its curl length and start curling up. But I'm not gonna make this video too long. But the number one reason why you're not getting waves is because you're not brushing. Simply because you're not brushing. You have to at least brush 30 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes at night. And you have to wear your do-rag to sleep. Because if you don't wear a do-rag to sleep, you're going to lose progress. You basically just wasted a whole day of brushing. So that's number one. Number one reason why you can't get waves, or why you're not getting waves, because you're not actually putting in the brush work. Now that that's out of the way, let's get to number two. Matter of fact, I think number two should have been number one. Okay, let's switch that up. Number two is brushing. Number one is not letting your hair grow out to its curl length. Like I said in the beginning, you gotta let it grow. Okay, don't cut your hair every 2 weeks like you usually do. Let it grow, let it reach its curl length. Then once you start putting in the brush work, then you start seeing real progress. All right, so number one, let your hair grow out. Number two, put in the brush work. Number three, put on your do-rag before you go to sleep. Number four, I don't know what number 4 is. Y'all let me know in the comments. But y'all, that's it for this video. Nothing too big. Just short, straight to the point. That's why you're not getting your waves, alright? You gotta brush and wolf. And put your do-rag on. Alright, y'all, that's it for this video. Click this one right here. Take notes and pay attention. Watch the whole thing too. It's your boy 360 Juice. And I'm out of here. Peace.